The theme of our lecture today is drops equals crops by drips. Now here we see a typical, generic, archetypal raindrop being wrenched apart at the centre by the force of air resistance.
Critical to our calculations is the understanding of this radius r. Now, the applied mathematics tells us that the equilibrium will occur when a surface tension equals the weight. This gives us this straightforward sort of equation here, which we simplify, perhaps a little too much, and when we put in the constant potential, what do we find? The prediction is that the raindrop size
Ha ha ha!